Okay, this one I wanted to go bigger. So this is one of those large jars from the Dollar Tree. And then this isn't a solar light. This is a battery operated light, but it's also from Dollar Tree. It's got a little on off switch on it, and it's got a little light bulb inside that's filled with like little string lights all wound around, but it's the perfect size for this large jar. So I thought we could do kind of a beach scene with the fairy garden stuff, but do it on a larger scale. So I love all the beach items they have for Fairy Garden this year. They have this little lounger beach chair and a little beach arrow sign. And I'm going to use those. Also, that little sand bucket over there and that little shorebird. And I'm just going to be attaching these with hot glue to the bottom of the jar just to make sure they stay in place. Kind of scattering these all over. So we're going to do like a really fun beach scene, but light it all up with that Dollar Tree light. I thought the little sand bucket goes well with those items. And then I had a little bit of room left, so I do the shorebird as well. There's so many cute ones. I try to only buy one of each. I think I might have got a couple of the sea turtle one though, because I love it. And just make sure those are all secure. Now, once I get those hot glued down, I'm going to go in like I did on the sea turtle, and we're going to fill in the bottom of the jar with Dollar Tree sand to make it look like a little beach scene. So just sprinkle enough in there to kind of cover the bottom, but not really cover any of the cute decor. That's what it looks like so far. Super cute, super beachy, I think. And this jar is really nice. I've used the smaller ones before, but I've never seen it in this large size. But look how perfectly the little battery operated light like fits on top of that wide jar. I think that's gonna work perfectly. So I'm just going to attach it with hot glue. The on off switch is on the top of it, so you should still be able to turn it on and off. You should also be able to still change batteries if you wanted to. And it's also got the little metal hanging hook on there so that you can hang this as well. Now, I did kind of want to like cover up the edges of the jar where you could screw the lid on and kind of cover up that light to make it look a little bit more coastal. So I just cut down 2 pieces of that white nautical rope from the Dollar Tree. And we're just going to go all the way around with those to cover up the little screw ridges that were there on the side of the jar and give it a coastal feel. I kind of wanted to see what it would look like using a different kind of Dollar Tree rope. So we're going with the white one for this one. And it did kind of give a different vibe to this. Now I'm going to go ahead and cover this as well, just to kind of continue that rope theme. And just going around and around with this one until all of it's covered except for the very, very top. And make sure you don't burn yourself. I think I burnt myself on this one. It hurts so bad. That hot glue gun, I love it, but man, it is incredibly hot. So that looks pretty good. And I can't really show you too well because ever all the sand kind of dumps to one side, but let me show you what this looks like. This is how it looks turned on, but in the daytime. So that white nautical definitely gives you a different feel to the top of this. But there's our little beach scene right inside. And you could hang this with rope with the hangers, or you can sit this around. This would be great indoors or outdoors.